Okay, kids. Time for bed. Frank, I can't sleep. I'm not gonna be able to sleep through this. You'll be able to make it through the night. It'll die down by 3 in the morning. Hopefully we'll get at least 4 hours of sleep. Since it dies down at 3 a.m. I don't know what you're talking about. The storm that's been going on outside. Oh yeah, that's the one that'll be ending at 3 a.m. Unless something happens and extends later than expected. Well, I don't know. I don't know if anything unexpected would happen. Of course unexpected things would happen. The reason you don't think unexpected things would happen is because you don't expect unexpected things to happen. Make sense, Mario? Not at all, Frank. Not at all. Oh, icicles are only getting worse. This storm better die down by 3 a.m. Well, it's already growing weaker. Which means we did pass the midpoint, where it has its peak of strength. So now it'll just be winding down from here, and conditions will be getting better. And they even said the roads will be clear by tomorrow morning. So, that's a good thing. Now, where are my pajamas? They're in your bedroom. Buster, come on. Why are you bringing the light? Because lighting is real... Because the lighting is actually really poor. I'll get your pajamas. If I can even find them. Oh, wait a minute. I think I got them. Oh, good. There should be a light on. Hang on. Problem solved. There's no way that's bright enough. Of course that's bright enough, Frank. I mean, you could blind the viewers. Well, it's not blinding me at all. Oh, well, it's still pretty bright. Why, just leave the premises. Maybe this light would be better. You know, I'll just rest here. Well, Buster, get in position. It's a good thing the weather's on this TV at least. We need to keep track of the weather somehow. Okay, so viewers, it's coming to a conclusion, it appears. Yeah, it's coming to a conclusion. And well, what seems to be the case is the storm is dying down. And well, tomorrow it will be over and we'll have additional parts tomorrow just to view the aftermath. So, stay tuned for that, and we'll get every single video, every single part of this, uploaded by tomorrow. I promise. As if Wire cooperates, and the weather cooperates as well, and doesn't knock out the power overnight, because the storm is still going to continue for like 4 more hours. So, there's still a chance the power would go out within the next 2 or 3 hours, because by 2 a.m. the storm gets really weak, and it's probably just going to be simple snowfall, because the winds are actually going to go down to 20 miles an hour. Maximum gusts and all. And well, the storm actually did start in the morning, but it was just very weak at that time and still developing, because it was just flurries and probably not too much, and probably not too gusty winds at all. I don't think they were even sustained winds. However, the storm is still serious. You're right, Frank. Nobody can even see Buster because it's dark. There's TV. We've been keeping track of the weather all day. We haven't lost power yet, but we're gonna see how it goes overnight. Just halfway through the night, the storm will end. But well, gotta continue filming tomorrow, so you guys can see the aftermath, because we're not gonna be able to. Because obviously, you're not gonna be able to see outside in the dark. And I'm not going outside at this time of night. Nobody is. So gonna wait till morning, and then you can view the aftermath, because then the storm will be done, and well, all possible snow would be on the ground, or on other surfaces. I hope the storm will be gone by tomorrow, and I hope there will be no more snow by tomorrow morning. Maybe just some very weak winds, like 2 or 3 miles an hour. I just really hope that the storm will die down and end up stopping completely. So, yeah. That will be it. That's basically gonna be it for this part. I'm sorry it's a little shorter than the rest, but I'm kinda running a little late, so that's it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's aftermath, which will be in the next parts, and well, I don't know if there will be any additional parts after that one, but in the next part, it'll be tomorrow morning. You can view the aftermath, and well, basically it. Good night, viewers.